Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting to the essentials. Power cycle both modem and router now to clear transient faults. While they reboot, check your admin credentials and have an Ethernet cable ready so you can connect directly. Inspect LEDs and note any amber or blinking error patterns. That tells you if the issue is link, DHCP, or WAN. Once the router boots, connect via Ethernet to bypass Wi-Fi variables and log into the admin page, so you can see status and error messages directly. Now you dig deeper. Run ping and traceroute from your connected PC to the router and to 8 to determine whether failures are local or upstream. Log into the admin UI and inspect the DHCP leases, routing table, and firmware version. Outdated firmware often causes instability. If settings look corrupted, export the current config for backup, perform a factory reset, and reapply only essential settings. Make sure to use Ethernet during firmware updates to avoid bricking and to document changes you make. Finish by restoring stable operation. Reconfigure Wi-Fi SSID and security, then test throughput on wired and wireless links to confirm performance. Recreate port forwards and custom routes deliberately, and verify NAT/firewall rules to prevent blocked services. Once done, monitor for 24-48 hours. If problems persist, collect logs and ISP-facing error codes, then contact your provider. Alternatively, test with a known good replacement router to determine hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.